because that is a testament to Tracy's amazing writing and the amazing team she has around us. So thank you, Tracy. Yes, give Tracy a round of applause.
I'm just gonna say thank you all for coming. This is amazing. I'm about to cry because I love everybody on the stage, and people that are in the audience tonight mean a lot to me as well. There's crew in here tonight. Yes, thank you guys for coming. There's other cast members. There's people from Amazon. There's just so many people that have loved on us and showed us so much support over the years. And so thank you all and everyone who came out tonight to support us. The family and friends that we all have that are here, thank you. And shout out to Britt Matt, my partner in crime.
Yes, Britt!
I'm gonna take a second on Britt just because we were in the trenches together from the writer's room through production, through post, every single frame Britt and I discussed. So everything that went in the show was a joint effort, so thank you. To Kim Lessing and all the other EPs. Shawnee, I don't know where you are, but thank you. And Amazon, you guys are amazing. Honestly, I'm being real right now. Like, you guys have shown us so much love. We are a Black show. Sometimes Black shows don't get the support and the love and the marketing as much as other shows do, and that has not been the case with you guys. Like, you give so much extra attention and care and detail to us, and we all feel it. We really do. So thank you. We're really, really grateful for that, and that's basically all I have to say. It's my favorite season. I think it's so good, and thank you guys for coming out today. Woo!